Yes, sir.
Was it your second pillar that dealt with the statistics of the beginning of the universe? I'm trying to remember the exact word, but did you say that it was inconceivable that such a thing could happen?
I said
to
that
describe?
I said that the odds against the universe being life permitting were so small as to be incomprehensible and incalculable.
Okay, well, having read Hardin's book about the filters, I recognize that as language that is intended to prevent thought. And using his Numerate filter, I would say that it's not quite right to do a statistical analysis of this because we only have one sample. We don't have a random data set. The only universe we have is one in which life has propagated. And so it's not quite fair to compare that to the statistics of life not being able to exist in the universe, or a universe not being able to exist, because there are no humans around in such an instance to declare that life hasn't existed.
Yes, this is an objection that one sometimes sees in the literature, but I think for those who understand the fine-tuning argument, it's not difficult to explain the sense of probability and the sample set that one is talking about. In his book, The World Within the World, the Oxford physicist John Barrow gives the following illustration that I find very helpful. He said, make a dot on a piece of paper and let that be the universe. Make it a red dot, and that is our universe. Now, he says, alter slightly some of these constants, like the proton-neutron mass ratio, or the strength of the weak force, or the expansion of the universe, and let that be a new universe. And if it's life permitting, make it a red dot. If it's life prohibiting, make it a blue dot. And then alter them again and make another dot, and then alter it again and another dot. And you just keep doing this, altering these constants slightly, and until your paper is filled with universes or filled with dots. And what you discover is that you have a sea of blue with just a few pinpoints of red here or there. And that's the sense in which one means that it is enormously and incomprehensibly improbable that the universe should be life permitting. Your sample set of universes is all of these other possible universes that result just by altering these parameters in these very, very small ways.